Hey guys, welcome back. What I am about to show you today took me months to figure out, but you are going to learn it in the next 5 minutes. I'm super excited to share this with you because I know how much it can change your life. You see, I've been in the crypto space for a while now, and I've tried so many different ways to earn free crypto. But let me tell you, this method is by far the easiest and most lucrative. So, what is it? It's a crypto airdrop, and I'm going to show you exactly how to claim it. But before I do, let me show you my proof of earnings. I've made over $120 using this exact method. And I'm going to show you how you can do it too. But here is the thing that most people get wrong. They think it's too complicated or that it's a scam. But trust me, it's not. I've done my research, and I've been using this method for months now. So, let's get started. First, you need to understand what a crypto airdrop is. It's basically when a cryptocurrency project gives away free tokens to their community. It's a great way for them to build a community and get people excited about their project. And it's a great way for you to earn free crypto. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I don't know anything about crypto. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to join BSC airdrops using Trust Wallet. It's super easy, and you can do it in just a few minutes. First, you need to download Trust Wallet. It's a great wallet that allows you to store all your cryptocurrencies in one place. Once you've downloaded it, you need to create a new wallet. This is where you'll store all your free crypto. Now, the next step is to find a BSC airdrop. There are many different platforms that offer airdrops, but I'm going to show you my favorite one. It's super easy to use, and it's completely free. Once you've found an airdrop, you need to join it. This is where things can get a bit tricky. But don't worry, I've got a pro tip for you. You see, most people join airdrops and then forget about them. But if you want to maximize your earnings, you need to be proactive. You need to join as many airdrops as possible and then track them. This way, you can see which ones are paying out the most and focus on those. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the risks? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The biggest risk is that you'll join an airdrop that's a scam. But if you do your research and only join airdrops from reputable projects, you'll be fine. Another mistake that people make is that they don't read the terms and conditions. You need to understand what you're getting into before you join an airdrop. Now, let me show you my earnings proof. I've made over $450 using this exact method. And I'm going to show you how you can do it too. I've withdrawn my earnings to my bank account, and it's completely legit. So, what are you waiting for? You can get started today and start earning free crypto. The link to get started is right in the description below. It is completely free, takes about 2 minutes to set up, and you can start claiming tokens today. I check this platform every single day, and it has never let me down. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Peace.